Hey everyone, welcome back to Linden Houston Cooking. Today I'm making a refreshing, all-natural vitamin water infused with black and white grape, fresh lemon slices, and a touch of honey. It's packed with flavor, hydration, and natural goodness. Perfect for a healthy boost. Let's get started. With these lovely grapes, grapes is full of antioxidants, and you have the lovely lemon, which is full of vitamin C and a natural sweetness from your honey. What I'm doing here now, I'm slicing the grape in half. If you feel like crushing it, you can crush it. That's all personal preference. So what I'll be doing, I'm just cutting the grapes in half, and I'll take you through the process. If you love easy drink like this, just remember to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment, and remember to try this at home and let me know in the comment section what's your favorite fruit infused water. For this particular infused vitamin water, you'll need one large onion or whatever you have. If you have lemon or lime, go ahead, just use what you have. This also is a homemade vitamin water and a detox water for hydration. Not only that, this is a healthy flavored water, give you natural energy and also a refreshing summer drink. No sugar added and also excellent for weight loss detox. Go ahead and put it in your desired water jug, whatever you have, a glass, a cup. For me here, I'm just putting it in my jug. I'm squeezing the half of lemon. I'm using some organic honey. When you're making anything like that, make sure you have proper stuff to put in it. Now, if you don't want the honey in it, that's not a problem. Don't add it to it. But honey is a natural antibiotic also, and it's a natural sweetener. I'm using some still water, which is also spring water in this. And I'm using a spoon to just stir it up, just to get everything blending up and nice and infused. This refreshing grape lemon honey vitamin water is easy to make, and it's a easy homemade infused drink also. This is so refreshing, especially on a hot day. Now, this video I'm making, I was in my caravan and I'm on the seaside and it's a little bit warm, and this is what you can do. Wow, absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.